What is going on, guys? Welcome back, and today I'm going to be showing you my top 3 ab exercises for building a strong core and hopefully, if your diet's in check, getting that six pack. But before we do that, we've got shoulder day to do.
I live inside my own world of make-believe. Kids screaming in the cradles, profanities. I see the...
Okay guys, so shoulder workout is finished. I'm going to show you the 3 ab exercises now. She said she was going to help me film this video today and do some ab exercises with me, but doesn't seem like that's going to happen. It's gonna happen? Apparently not. Let's get into it. Okay guys, so I'm just gonna do this as a voiceover. So what you wanna do is you wanna find a nice clear space on the floor. Put your legs at 90 degrees, lift them up, and then just sort of put your hands side to side. Keep looking straight, and remember to breathe. Really tense that core. You're working your obliques. So then you just wanna go at a slow, steady pace. Keep looking forward and try and keep your legs as still as you possibly can. Go for around 30 seconds to a minute. And remember guys, you are allowed to smile in this exercise. I know I look like I've just swallowed a wasp. So let's get on to the variations of this exercise. So if you're one of the lucky few who own a weighted medicine ball, or even a plate would do, you can use that and just use that to go side to side. That'll make it a wee bit more difficult. Or what you could use is a plant pot or anything, you know, round similar to that. Or, because you guys know I love PB2 so much, you could even use that. So let's get on to the next exercise. Okay guys, so next up we have the leg raises. So for this, you just want to lay flat on the floor, get into a space where you can lift your legs up just to around 90 degrees or even less, maybe just before 90 degrees. So you want to lift them up slow and then bring them down slower. And for this, you can also, you could sit on your hands or you could put them behind your head, just whatever's comfortable. And then nice, slow, contract those abs and remember to breathe. That is key. For the next exercise, we're going to move on to an absolute classic, a banger. It is the plank. So with the plank, what you want to do is get down on the ground, put your elbows down on the floor, keep your back straight, really tense that core, make sure you keep your bum down and really tense your core. Remember to breathe. You can have your hands together on the ground, just wherever's comfortable. To make it slightly easier, what you can do is put your knees on the ground and lean slightly forward, or to make it slightly harder, one thing you can do is actually plank the press up, which will engage your shoulders a wee bit into it as well, and that will make it a wee bit harder. And also guys, I'll throw in a wee extra one here. This is very similar to plank, it's just a side plank, and this will be working your obliques. So what you want to do is you want to put one arm down and put the other one up, and then after a while what you want to do is you want to switch arm and then put it up, and you want to keep your core nice and tight at all times. I can't stress that enough. Also, I know it's stupid, but just honestly remember to breathe, because it will help during these exercises. Don't be holding your breath. Alright guys, thanks for watching. If you liked the video, don't forget to subscribe, like and comment on what you want to see next, and I will see you in the next one. Take care.
Enchanté.